Today, I'm going to share with you the best iPhone tips and tricks that will take your iPhone experience to a whole new level. Quickly access the camera. Tired of missing precious moments? Simply swipe left on your iPhone lock screen to instantly open the camera app. No more fumbling through menus or searching for the camera icon. One-handed keyboard. If you have a larger iPhone model, typing with one hand can be a challenge. But fear not. Apple has included a one-handed keyboard option for easier typing. To activate it, simply press and hold the emoji or globe icon on your keyboard and select the left or right-handed keyboard layout. Text replacement shortcuts. Do you find yourself typing the same phrases over and over again? Save time by creating text replacement shortcuts. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement, and add your frequently used phrases along with their corresponding shortcuts. For example, you can create a shortcut like RN that expands to right now. Quickly switch between keyboards. If you frequently switch between multiple languages or emoji keyboards, you can do it with a simple swipe. Simply press and hold the globe icon on your keyboard to manually select a keyboard, or tap the globe icon to switch between keyboards effortlessly. Undo and redo typing. Made a mistake while typing? Instead of deleting the whole sentence, simply shake your iPhone to undo your last action. Shake it again to redo the action. This nifty trick can save you a lot of time and frustration. Enable one-handed mode. If you often find yourself struggling to reach the keys on your iPhone's keyboard with one hand, you can enable the one-handed mode. Simply press and hold the emoji or globe icon on your keyboard and select the one-handed mode option. The keyboard will shrink to one side of the screen, making it easier to type with one hand. Control Center customization. The Control Center is a convenient way to access frequently used settings and features. You can customize it by going to Settings, Control Center, Customize Controls. Add or remove shortcuts based on your preferences to make accessing your most used features quicker and easier. Notifications management. Too many notifications can be overwhelming and distracting. Take control of your notifications by going to Settings, Notifications. From here, you can choose which apps can send you notifications and customize their appearance and behavior. You can also enable or disable notification previews to maintain your privacy. Battery optimization. Battery life is always a concern for iPhone users. To optimize your battery usage, go to Settings and select Battery. Here, you can view which apps are consuming the most battery and take steps to reduce their usage. You can also enable the low power mode to extend your battery life when needed. Use the grid for better composition. Enable the grid feature on your camera by going to Settings, Camera, Grid. The grid divides your screen into thirds, helping you align your subjects and create more balanced compositions. Adjust exposure manually. Sometimes, the iPhone camera may not capture the exposure you desire. To manually adjust the exposure, tap on the area of the screen where you want to focus, and then swipe up or down to adjust the exposure level. This can help you achieve better results in challenging lighting conditions. Capture photos using the volume button. Instead of tapping the shutter button on the screen, try using the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to take photos. This can provide a more stable grip and reduce the chances of camera shake. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Apple ID. To enable it, go to Settings, click on your name, Sign In, and Security, Two-factor authentication. This feature requires you to verify your identity with a trusted device or phone number whenever you sign in to your Apple ID. Use strong passcodes and Face ID/Touch ID. Avoid using simple passcodes and opt for longer, more complex ones. You can also use Face ID or Touch ID for added convenience and security. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode to set up these features. Enable Find My iPhone. In case your iPhone gets lost or stolen, Find My iPhone can help you locate it and protect your data. Go to Settings, tap on your name, Find My. You can also enable the Send Last Location option to automatically send your device's location to Apple when the battery is critically low. Must-have apps for iPhone power users. Evernote is a powerful note-taking app that allows you to capture ideas, create to-do lists, and organize your thoughts across multiple devices. It syncs seamlessly with your iPhone, iPad, and computer, ensuring you never miss a beat. Spark is a revolutionary workout app designed to streamline and optimize your fitness routine. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting out on your fitness journey, Spark provides the tools you need to organize and manage your workout schedule effectively. 1Password. With so many online accounts and passwords to remember, 1Password is a lifesaver. This app securely stores your passwords, credit card information, and other sensitive data, making it easy to access them whenever you need them. Battery draining quickly. If your iPhone's battery is draining faster than usual, check for battery-hungry apps in Settings, Battery. You can also try restarting your iPhone or enabling the low power mode to conserve battery. App crashes. If an app keeps crashing or freezing, try force quitting it by double-clicking the home button or swiping up from the bottom on newer iPhone models and swiping the app off the screen. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Poor Wi-Fi or cellular reception. If you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi or cellular signal, try toggling airplane mode on and off in Settings. You can also reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. You are all set. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.